Hello everyone. So today is 17th of March and it's currently 10:05 p.m. So let's discuss. So coming to yesterday's video I clearly said that Nifty XGX Nifty was indicating a gap up, and the gap up was indicating that XGX Nifty will open around 70,100. And I clearly mentioned that in the end of the data, it was hugely bearish and things are going to come down. Okay, so later on it moved up, but yeah, so that's a different story. Okay, so but things are going to come down even like tomorrow, the next day, or whatever. Like ultimately, I mean upside from here it's very limited. Okay, so things are going to come down, and yes, so just you had to do was like sell. Okay, so uh, yes, so I even discussed the same strategy in yesterday's video also, that just sell. Okay, and in today's first thing in the morning 9:19 I just said that sell, and yes, so and 17,155 would be the main resistance level for today. And yeah, so for the put buyers I told them like take time and short, so that like what happens, take time means don't go into the current one. Okay, so go to the next one and take your time, the put buyers. Okay, and call letters, yeah, they can sell. So why time is being taken is because whatever, like if suppose in the morning when we sold, so if Nifty stayed the whole day at 17,100, like finally, which it did, but think like this, that even if it stayed at 17,100 throughout the day, then also we have time. Okay, so we won't panic, and yeah, so the rest would follow eventually. That's it. So yeah, but then at 9:47 the trigger came. Okay, so I yeah, so the data that the I mean in the data I saw something that made me convinced that yes, now it's going to fall, and I said things are going to fall here 9:47, and I was very sure about the fall, and that's why I even posted it on Twitter also. That is at 9:57 a.m. when you see that. Sorry. Yeah, so 9:57 a.m. So just look at where Nifty was at 9:57 a.m. So here 9:50 to 9:55, and this is the first 2 minutes of this candle. Okay, so almost near to 17,100. Okay, so yeah, I clearly said that like what was happening here is that I mean every time index was being taken up, then here and then again here. So what was happening is that indexes were taken up to just short them. Okay, so ऊपर ले जाके इन लोग शॉर्ट कर रहे थे, बड़े जो प्लेयर्स हैं उन लोग. इवन लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी. ओके, सो ऊपर ले जाके इन लोग खाली शॉर्ट कर रहे थे, एंड देन like Nifty tried to take some support at 200 EMA, but finally came down, and Bank Nifty also came down, and yes, so it was like 100 points easy move that you could have captured even if you followed my video, or if you have got this notification. If you follow this notification, I clearly said that the big guys are heavily shorting. Okay, and that is also visible in the end of the day data. Okay, so I mean for these type of live analysis, I think I do expect a like, so please don't forget to like the video. And yes, this loss, so this thing, what happened was I mean at a certain point of time today it was at plus 48k. Okay, so I did not book the profits. The one profit that I booked was this one, that is 17,700. Okay, P. So I took it twice. Like the first time I took it in the morning and then closed it here. Like even you can see that the next analysis, like Nifty going down, and then I closed my here. I said that I at a 30% profit I was closing my put buying at 17,000. So I bought it in the morning at around 1:30 and sold it for 171. Okay, and then the next time I bought, when market went up, the next time I bought it for 124, and now it's at a loss. The current price is 100, so I'm losing 24 points there. But yeah, fine, like I know that eventually things are going to go in my favor. There is a high probability. Okay, so this is stock market. I'm not god, like I will say that yeah, for 100% probability everything has a probability, but I can say that my positions would go in green. That has a high probability. Okay, so that's the thing. And carrying, I said everything that I was carrying, like carrying 17,000 puts, and as well as I did call writing at 17,000 as well. And yesterday, you all know 17,100 also I was carrying call writing position, and today I added some. But yeah, so overall this is the position. Like you can see, like though with this position I had a loss, but it's showing plus. So that's the thing. Like it was taken. This trade was taken twice. Okay, so yes. So that said, so the loss is not booked. Okay, so it's not actually loss. Like until unless you book the profit, so it's not your profit. Until unless you book the loss, it's not your loss. Okay, so still we are in the game. And okay, so now let's discuss that. Yes, the final move, this one was like I mean it was just to hit the beers, okay, and nothing else. So I mean it was here when I took the second put buying position. It gave a very nice downward move, and here it was when I was having my 48,000 profits. Okay, but then suddenly this spike came. Okay, and it was I saw the data points, like none of the data convinced me, or I did not feel like I missed something, so that I could have said that this move is coming. Okay, so then I knew that these moves are just being created to hit the bears, and these are fake moves. Okay, and that's why I took the put buying as I mean I carry forward that put buying position. Okay, so that said, and also for Bank Nifty, this 39,347, you're seeing that it's acting as a nice resistance for some days here. So if the next point is at 39,822 to be exact, and yeah, above that we have 40,434. So as I told you, like for this even in the option chain I showed you that for this week, majorly at 40,000 the call writers were present. And for Nifty, let's discuss the levels. I think most of you know that if this breaks, then the major level is at near about 16,850. And that said, yes, so for such live updates you can follow me on Twitter, those who are new here. Now again, XGX Nifty, as you can see, US markets are falling and it's down currently. Like if you see the highest XGX Nifty went was 17,193. So that was at around the end of the day, our day. Okay, our trading day. So from there it's like way down. So I mean if this is the level, then we are going to open at 17,000 or maybe below that. But yeah, let's expect for the best. And yeah, if it opens at 17,000, we'll be again. I'll return to more than 48k on Monday. So let's hope for the best, and we could do nothing else. Let's see where XGX Nifty closes tonight. Yeah, but sometimes we have seen that XGX Nifty closes down, and but while opening on the other day, it doesn't give that much bearishness. Like the gap closes. Okay, so we have seen that happening, but yeah, I mean at least there would be some gap down. So okay, next coming to this thing, that is option chain. If you see that I mean at 17,000 also, the closing ones that you see, those are very small I mean positions that were closed, and those are not the big guys. Okay, the big guys are still there. And at 17,100 also they are there, and at 17,200, 300 above, they are fully there. Okay, and let's come to Bank Nifty as well. So yeah, coming to Bank Nifty, as you can see, like 40,000, that's the major point, and then we have 39,800, and this all through, like, even if you can see 39,500 also, in the money call writers are still waiting. Okay, so there is nothing to panic about. Like, again, market would eventually go down. Why? Because there are more data points to to support this statement. And yes, FIs have also sold, and DIs almost bought the same amount, slightly more. Coming to FNO, stock futures index, they have today sold for 691 crores, and this is not the amount they have used actually. Okay, so since the strike price is also multiplied, so that's why it looks very huge, but actually that much amount has not been used. Okay, so yeah. Yes, now coming to the other thing, that is 264, like the stock prices. Okay, so the stock price, I mean, slightly some positions have been closed, but yesterday they shorted heavily the stock futures. Okay, so still, like, these moves are pending. And talking about the indicators, as you can see, like, the data was bearish in the morning. Okay, and for Bank Nifty also the same thing, the data was heavily bearish. So in the morning it was fine, but then the afternoon move, that was not expected. Okay, so that was yeah, so these type of unexpected move do come in the in a bear market. Like, it's not like a stock market, when it goes down it straight away goes down. Okay, so this happens. Okay, you have to be used to that. Now coming to futures, end of the data, futures long, they are closing. Okay, futures short, this is a heavy quantity. Okay, so don't neglect it. Even they have shorted today, so that's what was happening, these futures short and these call writing positions. Okay, so these were being added in the morning. So as I also told you live on Twitter, that is just index, they were getting pumped because to increase the sentiment, and thus they would just short the indices. So then coming to the next thing, that is option chain. So option index, they have done some put writing. Okay, and also, like, if you see that they have huge put buying. Okay, so coming to the put shorts, but again, call writing has been done. This is you can see that futures, heavy futures short as well as call writing is like much more than the put writing positions. Okay, so the call writing positions are there, and now someone would say that the FIs have bought calls. No, so that's not true, because what happens is that, like, the call writing that they did today, and also the future short, the new future short that they did today, so together to hedge them, they are buying these calls. Okay, so these are not calls to take trades on. Okay, this is not for trading. The main thing, the trades that have been taken for trading by the FIs are call writing, future short, and yes. Now talking about the put writing position, so put writing has been done, but huge amount of put buying is there. Okay, so even if things goes down, their put writing position stop loss gets hit, they close their positions. They would be profitable with their put buying positions. Okay, so huge amount of put buying positions are there. So they if they want to save their put buying positions, okay, so if they are not taking the market down, if they have to save them, they have to save, right? Then ultimately they would be in a loss with their put side. So if they have to save, then they have to further increase their put writing positions. Otherwise, they would close some of these and take the market down. Okay, so that's it. Like, ultimately things are bearish. Okay, so these call writing positions and future short positions, they have to take them in profit. So today they did not get any profit. First of all, like the call side ends at something positive. Okay, so that's why the next day, I mean, these call trading positions could be like going into profits, high probability. And then the next thing is that for the prop decks, they have decreased their futures short positions and increased some of their futures long positions. But if you see their option index, so option index almost like call writing and put writing, they have done both. So if this thing carries on, like if the FIs also does both, if they suppose like on Monday things comes down and then they start doing put writing again, and increases the put writing, so what will happen is that market will just get stuck in a range for this week, and you will be witnessing both side moves, okay. But yes, so at least once again we should go on below 17,000 to give these writers, at least these writers of this week, some relief. So that's what I'm waiting for. And yeah, that said, again the things would be like, if you see any rise you can just sell. So okay, so sell on rise would be the final verdict. And yes, I think I'm not missing anything. And if I, yeah, so advance to decline ratio is little bit favorable, but as you can see, like I mean, just look at the world markets, okay. So most of them are bleeding. So I mean, advance to decline ratio, declines would again go up, okay. So that's not an issue. So yeah, I think I've discussed everything. So please don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching. And please do share it among the other fellow traders. I need to increase my subscribers base, so please help me do that. And yeah, I'm giving you free money here, so please do like and share. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.